Let's learn about the Lspci command to view hardware details. Lspci command displays the machine hardware information based on the PCI architecture. The information includes PCI bridge, VGA controller, Ethernet controller, USB controller, audio device, and IDE interface. Lspci command. In this demo, we will learn about the Lspci command. It stands for Lspci. It extracts the hardware information, which is based upon your PC architecture. Type the command lspci and press enter. You get the information about your devices. Here, you have the information about PCI devices. Since our machine is a virtual machine, you get the information of PCI bridges and PCI controllers that are a part of this virtual hardware. You have the PCI bridge and the host bridge information. These are the terminologies relevant to the hardware of the PCI-based devices. We are only looking at the PCI devices. You don't have a PCI Express card, but there is one PCI bridge. This is how to use the Lspci command to display the hardware information.